everyone, welcome back. The Disney Price here. We are in a Deluxe studio here in the Grand Floridian. We are in the new DVC building. We are in Big Pine Key, which opened a few weeks ago. We're going to just take a quick look around. So as you come in through the door here, you have a table on the side with a nice little storage box with your hairdryer in. And you've already got two outlet sockets here with a USB and a USB-C. So that's nice to see that they're putting USB-Cs into. And then on your left you have your bathroom. So you turn on the light. It's not that switch. Where's the switch? In here. Wow, that's bright. So you've got a massive mirror, then you've got twin sinks with a mirror on the side. You've got your tissues with the Grand Floridian imprinted on it, very posh. Then you've got your towels down below, a bin, and you've got some more towels on the side. And then inside of here, you've got your rainfall shower with Disney H2O on the side there. And you've also got your toilet with another bin. And you've got your toilet roll also imprinted with Grand Floridian on it. And then you've got more Disney H2O products all on the side here, with more outlet sockets. No USBs in the bathroom, but you've got outlet sockets so you can charge your shavers, your toothbrushes and everything. But it is really nice. We are on the fourth floor here. You've got a microwave up there and a Keurig machine. We've not been in a room with a Keurig machine in before, so that will be making coffee so much easier in the morning. You've got utensils, cups, plates, creamers, tea, and you've got these really nice glasses too. Very nice glasses. And you've got your ice box too. And then you've got cupboard space down below, which has got your fridge, which is a clear fridge, but I don't think it's got a freezer in either. And then over here you have two double beds with really nice lights beside each of them. You've got a very small bed stand, and below you've got two outlet sockets with a USB and a USB-C. And then you've got nice storage areas below the bed. And then you've got your TV here, and it's got our name on it as we've walked in, really nice. And then you've got loads of cupboard space to store all your clothes in. You've actually got dinner menus and stuff like that. And then you've got your settee over here being modelled by my little brother, and this flips into another single bed, I believe. And then in the centre you've got more cupboard space with the Bible, of course, as usual. And a really nice lamp here, glass lamp, very posh. And then you've also got your phone here, an older looking phone compared to some of the other DVC resorts. And then beside, and you've also got, in the centre of the two beds you've got you've got two output sockets, a USB and a USB-C, and I believe you've got the same the other side too, so plenty of spaces to charge your phone. And then on the other side you have another two output sockets with USB and USB-C with a bedside table or counter and two output sockets there. And then our balcony is absolutely massive and the view is amazing. Let's open it up. Oh, it is absolutely amazing out here. Got an absolutely beautiful view of the Grand Floridian, the monorail. You can hear them in the pool out there. But you've also got, you also can see the Polynesian, the wedding pavilion, transportation and ticket centre and Wilderness Lodge, but you can't see the Magic Kingdom. But that is an absolutely amazing view anyway, so I'm not too bothered about that. So thank you all for watching this room tour of this Deluxe studio here at the Grand Floridian. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the notification bell. This is of course the new modelled rooms here at Big Pine Key. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Bye.